Over the next few minutes, we're going to open the actual DreamzCMMS RFID App and portal and walk through how it supports FMCG operations. Whether you run 1 plant or 50, you'll see how it tracks every case and pallet from the moment it comes off the production line, through internal movements between production and storage, transfers between plants and warehouses, right through shipment, and finally to the day it's retired. This is the real platform your production floor and warehouse teams would use every day. Every product's journey starts with getting it into the system. For a full batch at once, a pallet of finished goods, or an entire production run, bulk serialization takes over. Select the location and the product. Then select the supplier, number of tags, production date, and time. After that, select the line number and provide a batch or lot number. Then hit Continue to scan. From there, it's as simple as pointing the handheld RFID scanner at the stock. For anything that hasn't been RFID tagged yet, the same scan screen also supports a quick barcode or QR code scan as a fallback. Once your stock has been registered, checking inventory is just as simple. Open the inquiry screen, select the plant or warehouse, and simply scan the item. Instantly, you'll see everything that's currently on hand, right down to the individual case or SKU. Here's where the system becomes especially powerful for FMCG manufacturers operating multiple facilities. From the sending location, simply open the dispatch screen, select the source location and destination, add a dispatch note if required, and scan each case before it leaves the warehouse. As each SKU is scanned, it's automatically marked as in transit and linked to a unique dispatch reference number, giving you complete traceability throughout the shipment. At the receiving location, open the Receive screen, select the plant or warehouse, choose the corresponding dispatch reference number, and scan each incoming case to confirm receipt. As the cases are scanned, they are automatically added to the receiving plant's inventory, ensuring stock levels remain accurate without any manual data entry. There's no need for spreadsheets, no phone calls to verify shipments, and no uncertainty about where inventory is. The system tracks every case from dispatch to receipt, providing complete end-to-end visibility. And in Part 2, we'll explore the reporting module, where you'll see the full audit trail and complete movement history for every shipment. For high-volume dispatch operations, DreamzCMMS also supports a fully automated RFID gate, eliminating the need for manual scanning. A fixed RFID antenna is installed at the dispatch gate. As pallets or cases pass through on a forklift, trolley, or conveyor, every RFID-tagged item is detected automatically. There's no need to scan each case individually. Every tagged item is read in real time and matched against the outbound dispatch note. As soon as it passes through the gate, it is automatically recorded as dispatched. The same process works at the receiving location. As pallets or cases move through the receiving gate, the fixed RFID antenna automatically reads all the tags and records the items as received without any manual scanning. When a case or batch reaches the end of its life, whether it's expired, damaged, or recalled, you can remove it from inventory using the Unregister screen. Simply scan the case, and it is removed from the active inventory while keeping a record of the transaction. To recap, products are tracked through bulk registration, checked using inquiry, transferred between locations through dispatch and receive, and removed from active inventory through Unregister, giving you a complete and tamper-proof record. That's the mobile app your production and warehouse teams use every day. Now, let's switch to the web portal, where your plant management team can view and manage the complete inventory,